All praise is due to the Most High, Anu. We thank you for sending Dr. Malachi Z. York with such divine and holy knowledge and information. A lot of people have been asking me about the whole circle, 360 degrees, square, 360 degrees, bit, and their equality, and mainly how the definition of a circle equals one drawn around a central invisible. Now, invisible does not mean don't exist, it just means can't see. A circle is drawn around a central invisible focal point. Thus, the point equals a degree, and the circle equals 360 degrees plus 1 center degree. So the circle is 361 degrees. And 19 times 19 equals 361. Introduction to the supreme mathematics of the number 19, as taught to me by the Supreme Grand Master Teacher, the Supreme Grand Howard Fant, Netter Aferti Atum Ray, Dr. Malachi Z. York, Aminubi Real Talk. So, as you learned from the last video, that this information is angelic information. So, we want to show today that this number, 3 plus 6 plus 0, equals 9. And this number, 3 plus 6 plus 1, equals 10. We want to show some of the superior aspects of the number 361 above 360. And one of them you can already see is that this 9 is short 1 of 10. So when a person takes a circle and makes fractions of 3 equal pieces, 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, or 33.3, 33.3, 33.3, or 120 degrees, 120 degrees, 120 degrees, or we can even use the whole number 33, 33, and 33. And right off we see that 1/3, 1/3, and 1/3 is really 3, 3, 3, and that's 1/9. And we see that 33.3, 33.3, 33.3%. And we arrived here with fractions 1/9, and we're arriving here with percentages 99.9. And here we have 33, 33, and 33 whole numbers, and we arrive at 99. And here we have 120 degrees, 120 degrees, 120 degrees, and we arrive at 360. The importance of this is that all of these numbers here are 1 short. So when you count the center point, the 1/9 suddenly becomes 1/10. The 99.9% suddenly becomes 100%, counting the central point. The 99 suddenly becomes the whole 100, again counting 99 plus the central point. And the 360 suddenly becomes 361 degrees, counting the central point. So in the mathematics, you have what's called a 9-based matrix, which will be the 360 9-base matrix, and a 10-place matrix, or metrics, used interchangeably. So with that said, this is some of the advantages of 361 over 360. Not just that it's 360 is 9 and 361 is the perfect 10. However, we've shown physically using a circle and breaking that circle up into 3 fractions of equal portions, and we have shown that this circle is based on 9 and that there is a need for a central focal point in order to render that or reckon that circle perfect and have 1/10 instead of 9, 100% instead of 99.9%, and 100 instead of just 99, and 361 instead of just 360.